Vbeast guys, what's up? Blam! Blam blam! What's up? Oh yeah, I just wanted to do another quick overview. You know what, when I talked about and did the review, I didn't go over some stuff. I didn't actually expect to do a review, but I have installed this exhaust system, which I have personally fabricated. But before I go over that, things that I have changed so far, there's like little reflectors here. Rip those off. I had red spike bolts, put those on there. Looks cool. May not keep them. I'm probably going to change them out anyways. Flush mounts. Definitely need flush mounts. See those big honkers back there? Those were up here as well. Just huge, massive Dumbo ears sticking off. Yeah, the bike is a little dirty. I had to ride in this thick pea soup Texas fog this morning to get to work. Anyways. So, you know, that's about it. Bling, bling. And I'm working on a fender eliminator kit. One thing I was talking about when I went over the ride review is this textured plastic. As you can see, it looks really nice. The Grom, on the other hand, from the new one, it's only this type of plastic. You know, this whole, it's just a cover. But it looks nice when it looks like a carbon fiber or a fabric type of deal. And also the rear hugger has it here. It's very nice. It's plain in the middle, and then it has that carbon fiber look there, which is nice. Let me loosen this up so you guys don't get so much noise. What else? Oh, well, duh, the exhaust system. You know, that's all that's pretty much done to it thus far. One thing that is really awesome about this bike is this gauge. This gauge cluster is completely awesome, and you guys you saw that when I revved it up. Oh, I guess I can go over it. It has a fuel gauge, which is this little dots here. Neutral, which is here. It's not in neutral. Let me put it in neutral. Neutral, high beams, which are there, and the blinkers. I can't turn the high beams on. Bike needs to be on. But anyways, it has the time right there. It has a gear indicator as well, which is very nice. Miles on the bike. And the tach, I like the tach. And then this button right here does trip A, trip B, and your current mileage. This is to set the clock here. So, this thing is very fun, guys. It's very fun. And I'll get down and talk about this. Well, I won't talk. I'll talk about this exhaust system right now, and then I'll take my helmet off and do an undercarriage and all that. I made the muffler, the mid pipe, and I guess this is still the mid pipe. All I did was chop off right behind the O2 sensor. Anybody could do this. Anybody that has a fabricating skill set can do this. Anybody that has zero, find someone and they can do it. It's not the perfect system, but I did this because right now I want some sound and I just don't want to spend $475 for a Two Brothers exhaust system. No thank you. Later on, when it gets cheaper, definitely. Look at all this mud. Oh, black rims, they're cool. And black on green, it's awesome. Everything matches. I wish this was green. This would be so cool if it was a green blah blah blah. This would be so cool if it was a green spring. Yes. Oh, I had to use this piece right here. This was actually on the front where those peg or spike bolts were. Anyways, let me just take my helmet off and do a little run through. To open up, to get the seat off, it's down here. Right there. And then you turn it and boom, it comes off like so. And what's underneath it? You guys seen it. Tools, battery. Let's hear the exhaust. Let's start it up. And there's a baffle in it. It gets way louder without the baffle. It's just too loud for me. And I like loud pipes. It's not too bad, just chilling here. Excuse me. Not that bad, chilling. I'm gonna do a little run too. Rev it up. I think it sounds pretty good. I put a lot of packing in that muffler, so. Oh, look, this is what I was talking about, the clutch. All right, let me put it in neutral. Blip. All the way out. First. And catches right there. I mean, that's close to being all the way out. The clutch is super light and it engages a little late. But anyways. It sounds good. Little wheelie. Oh, let me tilt this down. I noticed you guys couldn't even see the speedometer last video. I don't know if I need to tilt it down actually. We'll see. Yeah, full wheelie. All right. I don't know if you guys can still see. I guess you can. I'll leave it here, see what this video turned out to be. I can usually jump those things in this, but that one's not that great. There's many jumps here. And let's go to another mini jump. Oh my, this is so much fun. And then we gotta get a car that's just literally going to speed limit instead of jump speed limit. Wait, is that dude doing a wheelie? That dude is doing a wheelie. Oh, it's Hypermoto. Let's go see. That kid was doing it too. I definitely won't catch up to that. Wait a minute. Straight up. He's Hypermoto, I think. There he is. Oh, dude. Oh, that's so not fair. He went up there. Wait. I'm gonna catch you. Oh, I can't go over that curb. But I can go over the grass part. Yeah, I caught the guy. Wait. Let me get this guy. Oh man. What's up? I saw you doing a wheelie. I was like, I gotta catch that guy. Oh, that was so cool. I'm gonna give you a card. I have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I like your bike.
Oh yeah, dude, appreciate it.
Yeah.
You know what, dude? What the hell's that?
Yeah, it's a z125 Kawasaki.
Yes, I guess Kawasaki's version?
Yeah, of the Grom, yeah. It's fun.
Yeah, I didn't realize.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's tiny. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen a couple of them. I bet they're badass, but I don't know. Hey, you ride with a bunch of other people or what?
Yeah, we have a couple people in my complex. They have Groms. I ride a Victory. Victory cross country, the big bagger.
Okay.
Yeah, and I had a sport bike. I sold that, got her this, so I was like,
yeah, dude.
let's see.
I got a Harley too.
Yeah.
But yeah, see, I was wondering, man. Those things, they look cool, but it looks like one of those things where you need like more people with them.
Yeah, I mean, it's fun. Like what you're doing off that, I go through stuff and I mean, it's just fun. I was like, I can go anywhere with this. I'll take off, man. Yeah. Yeah.
What's his name?
Vbeast.
Vbeast.
All right, man.
Good to meet you, man.
Good to meet you. All right, thanks. Take it easy, man. That was a good spam drop there. That dude was boss mode doing that wheelie. I suck at wheelies. I wonder if I have enough room to go up here. Let's see. Yeah, I do. I don't think there's any businesses here. access granted. Oh wait, I need to go on the other side. I'm gonna go up there. A little jumpy jump. Woo! Jumpity jump jump. Uh-oh. Jumpity jump jump. Woo! Did a wheelie. Oh, it's that soft stuff. What is over here? Ooh. Oh my gosh. Underground racing? I think so. This is so cool. I had no idea this is here. I've been living here for like 4 years and I've had no idea this has been here. It really stinks down here. This has been another random weekday video by your very own Vbeast. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Most of all, have a Vbeast day.